Hey, today we're going to talk about how to change out the images for your product pages. First thing you want to do is have your images ready and named appropriately and optimized. I'll send you a link to the blog post about optimizing your images. Once they are optimized, you can go ahead to the media library, and I go ahead and just upload like one subject at a time. So get your folder of, let's say that we're working on 10th grade grammar lessons. Get all your 10th grade grammar pictures ready. Go to the media library, click to add new. Just take pictures, drag them in there. Give it a second to upload, and after the little bar goes away, you're ready, and you can double check by clicking library, and your pictures should appear there, and they're just being compressed by a short pixel. So now I'm going to go to the page that I'm going to work on, and let's say I'm going to do grammar lessons for 10th grade. I'm going to click edit with Elementor. Then all you have to do is just click on the picture that you're going to work on, and then come choose image, and you can search for your image by name, or you can just see it. You can just click insert, and you just go through and do that, and everything else will stay the same. When you're done, click update. I'm not going to update because we don't want my random fake images here, but I'm going to click preview changes, and there they are along with the links. Sometimes Elementor can do something a little funky, and if you're like, I accidentally moved an element and you don't know how to move it back, the easiest thing to do is just go to history and go to the last known thing that and it just kind of puts it back. And then just click on the element you're working on. And don't worry about that being shortened right there. It actually is just fine. That's just a back-end preview issue. So in this case, I'm going to go back to my editing started, and I'm going to make sure that those are all there. And we're set and ready. Let me know if you have any questions.